Mastering the phrase. Best time to watch. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Best time to watch. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of English in daily use. So, let's get started. The phrase, best time to watch, is commonly used to suggest the most ideal or optimal time for viewing something. This could refer to movies, TV shows, live events, or even natural phenomena like sunsets or meteor showers. The best part implies a time when you'll get the most enjoyment, least disruption, or perhaps the highest quality of experience. Different scenarios. The meaning of best time to watch can change based on context. For example, in entertainment, movies, TV shows, it might refer to when a new episode is released or when there's less internet traffic for streaming. For live events, sports, concerts, it often means when the event is happening live in your time zone. In nature, sunsets, meteor showers, it refers to the time when these events are most visible. Why context is key. Understanding the context is crucial because it helps you grasp not just the literal meaning, but also the why behind the recommendation. Is it about avoiding spoilers, experiencing something as a community, or seeing nature at its best? Each scenario offers a unique reason for why a certain time is considered best. Let's go over some examples to see how this phrase can be used in sentences. The best time to watch the meteor shower is between midnight and 4 a.m. when the sky is darkest. Critics say the best time to watch this series is after reading the original books to appreciate the adaptations. For live sports, the best time to watch is during the playoffs when the games are most exciting. How to use this phrase. When you want to use this phrase, 1. Think about the context and what you're recommending. 2. Be specific about the time if possible. E.g., the best time to watch is Saturday night at 8 p.m. 3. Explain why it's the best time, to provide more value to your listener or reader. Listening for this phrase. When you hear someone use this phrase, pay attention to the subject they're talking about. Is it a movie, event, etc.? Any specific times they mention. The reasons they believe that's the best time, which can give you insights into cultural or social preferences. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, best time to watch. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand, use, and respond to this phrase in various contexts. Remember, mastering a language is all about grasping these nuances that make your communication more effective and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!